Hi kids, welcome back. Colors. Let's learn color names. Violet color, green color, orange color, black color, yellow color, light green color, brown color, sky blue color, red color, pink color, blue color, purple color. Kids, in this video we will trace capital letters A, B, C, D, E, letter A to Z. Let's trace A. A for apple. Letter B. B for ball. Letter C. C for cat. Letter D. D for dog. Letter E. E for eagle. Letter F. F for fish. Letter G. G for goat. Brown color. Letter H. H for horse. Letter I for ice cream. Letter J. J for juice. Letter K. K for kangaroo. Letter L. L for lion. Letter M. M for monkey. Letter N. N for nest. Red color. Letter O. O for orange. Letter P. P for parrot. Letter Q. Q for queen. Letter R. R for rose. Letter S. S for sun. Letter T. T for tiger. Pink color. Letter U. U for umbrella. Letter V. V for van. Letter W. W for wheel. X. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zoo. Let's read again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.